Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Flak 2.0 frames. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is have the frame and your lenses facing towards you like this. Once you've done that, place one thumb underneath the bridge of the nose. And then your working thumb over here is going to slide the lens out. So we're going to push out and slide at the same time to get it unseated. So again, with this thumb, we're going to be pushing up. And then with this thumb, we're going to be sliding out. Let's give it a shot. Easy, right? We're going to do the same thing to this side. Now with this thumb, underneath the bridge of the nose here, and the opposing one, we're going to slide the lens out. We're going to pull and slide out. Like that. Now if you do hear a little popping sound, don't be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame here. Alrighty. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, we're going to start off by locating the grooves of the frame. Now inside here on the edge of the frame, there's a little notch that the lens will latch onto. Alrighty, so we're going to locate these grooves and then we're going to line up our lens. Now today I'm going to be installing my Revo 24 karat gold lenses, just to kind of give my frames a little bit more of a flare. So we're going to start off with this hook here. Now this hook is going to latch on into here. Okay, so we're going to start off by sliding this hook into the groove of the frame and then inserting it into that notch in there. Once you've done that, go ahead and line up these grooves here to your lens, and then we're just simply gonna slide up with our thumb as we push the frame down to seat it. You should hear that pop. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and line up your lens to this groove. Insert that hook into that notch. And then we're going to line up the opposite edge of the lens here into the groove of the frame. And now we're going to be pushing up on the lens as we push down on the frame to get it seated. You should hear that pop. Once you're done with that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber cloth and give the lenses a nice little wipe down. Just so you know, make sure you take off any excess oil, fingerprints, or anything like that that might have been left on the lenses during the installation. And now you're good to go. Once you've added new life to your frames, whether it's a new set of replacement lenses offered in a variety of colors, or of course ear socks and nose piece is highly compatible to Oakley's unobtainium, go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.